Today, quality packing materials and better workspace are in high demand. Too much clutter impedes productivity and safety. Without the right system and material, it's not always easy. So let's start at the beginning. The new AIRmove² from Storopack. With a variety of air cushions, AIRmove² from Storopack is the perfect solution for your packing requirements. It saves time, space, aggravation, and it's simple to work with. Whether protection from breakage or just to fill up empty space, Storopack's air cushions can pack any product quickly and safely. AIRmove² is easy to handle, so you can set it up effortlessly at any packing station. It's ready to use instantly and makes the cushions right where you need them. This compact air cushion system saves tons of space, so you have more room for packing. The Quick Start function lets you start making air cushions right away without having to wait for the system to warm up. There are 3 kinds of film to cover a wide range of needs. Void film is designed to fill empty space in boxes to protect products from moving. Cushion film is used for cushioning larger or delicate items. Bubble film is ideal for wrapping fragile items. AIRmove² is fast and easy to set up. The clear display makes operation straightforward. The simple menu has a program for each kind of air cushion. At under 15 pounds, the machine can be mounted on a packing table, on a shelf, or on the wall. The flexible display arrangement supports multiple installation positions. AIRmove² can also be operated by foot pedal or hand button. It's convenient and practical. Its high speed means that all packing processes can be completed quickly and efficiently. The runtime function lets you set the length of time you want the machine to make cushions. Fast, efficient, and user-friendly. The AIRmove² air cushion system from Storopack.